Today I'm going to show you how to design a logo that works at any size. Step 1. Avoid any tiny details. Here's some examples. So if you look at all the tiny details in these logos, you'll notice that when this stuff gets scaled down, you're going to lose the windows here or the leaves here. What I mean by scaled down is this. So if you see these icons next to the new tabs in Chrome, these are called favicons. These are typically 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. Any well-designed logo should work well in that space and be legible. Which leads us into step 2, keep it simple. So you've probably seen a few of these around before. You'll notice that they're not super intricate. Look how simple that is, okay? Step 3, stick to using basic shapes. Let's say I'm designing a logo for Bob's Burgers. I've drawn 3 rectangles. I drew a little square for the cheese. Now let's round the tops for the buns. Round the edges of the burger. There we go. And it works at this size and this size. Add type and bam.
This is how to create a logo and take your social media or small business to the next level. For a good logo, you need a good app to design one. I personally like to use Canva, which is free and it works perfectly. The second step is to choose your colors. This is very important because you have to choose something that fits you. After that, you can start designing and using the built-in templates and shapes to make the logo look exactly as you want. You can put text in it and choose every bit of color in the picture you design. After you have played around for a while with the shapes and the text, you'll have a clear idea of what you want and you can create what you like the most. Then, after you've created the logo in Canva, you can save the logo onto your device and use it wherever you like. Follow for more cool and useful information.
Let me show you how to place a logo into a bottle in Photoshop. Instead of clicking and dragging, I'll use keyboard shortcuts to speed up the process. Start by going into the select menu and choose Subject. Then click on the layer mask icon to hide the background. And right click on the layer to convert it into a smart object to work non-destructively. Press Ctrl T to transform and use the handles to scale and position the logo accordingly. Then right click and select Warp. From the options bar, under Warp, select Arch. And use the handle to determine the right bend for the bottle. Commit the transformation. Press Alt and the left bracket key to select the layer below. And duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Move it to the top of the layer stack by pressing Ctrl and the right bracket key. And now press Ctrl Shift U to desaturate the layer. And Ctrl Alt G to create a clipping mask. And press Alt Shift J to change the blending mode to linear light. Then press Shift and forward to change the fill to 40% and reveal the drops over the logo.
Hey guys, let's go over how to make your own free logo just like mine. So head over to Canva and on the top bar, find templates and under business, you're going to scroll down to logo. Canva has a bunch of cute logos that you can customize for free. So you're going to select any of them. You're going to go ahead and click it. And then you're going to go ahead and select use this template. So now you can edit it and add your business name. You can change fonts. You can change colors. You can basically customize it to your liking. So here I found this cute font. So now this logo is ready to go. And the best part is that you can download it so that you can use it anywhere else. I hope this helped.
Create a simple logo with me. Choose your color palette. Open Procreate. Select your font. Make adjustments and get creative.
How to create a professional looking logo for free. And this is part 3 of my How to Create a Brand series using T-Chip, which I've done almost $200,000 in profit from. So first you want to go to logomaker.thehoff.com and you'll see this awesome logo maker app. Next click new to start a new logo. And let's start by adding text. Enter your text. Our brand is called Hustle Locker, and here you can pick your font and your color. Then click Add Symbol, and select the symbol that matches your brand. I'm gonna go with the sweet lock right here. I'm gonna rotate it so the dark gray part looks like an H, and you can customize all the colors and all the elements on it. So I'm gonna change it from having 5 colors to having 2 colors. And here's the finished product. Then click Save and Download. Enter your email and click Save and Continue. Your logo gets sent to you in every file type and even a transparent one so you can use it everywhere. Follow for more.
Alright, here's a super quick tutorial on how to make your own logo. You don't really need any experience, it's pretty straightforward. I also use this in a lot of my projects. Open up your design program, pick a really cool typeface, and write out the name. Here I'm looking for positive and negative spaces that kind of look like an object or a symbol. Luckily, this one looks really close to the shape of a fish. So I gave it a tail, added a little fin there, and then a cute little eyeball here, and that's pretty much the idea. There's a lot of different ways to go about it, but this is one of my tried and true methods for a quick, solid logo. Hope this helps.
Here I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how I created the Bakers and Burgers logo. I started off by choosing a font and then expanding it so that I could change some of the letters and add some of my own glyphs. I wanted to add some swashes onto the K and to the G to add a bit more dimension to the logo. I used the direct selection tool to move the points until I was happy with them. I then wanted to make it 3D, so I used the blend tool, changed the colour to red, and then added a stroke so that I had an outline around the logo. I then added a stroke to the text and added in some stars to add some more finesse. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
I will show you how to create a professional logo and branding elements for your Etsy shop. And don't worry, we won't be using Photoshop or Illustrator. We'll be using Canva instead. In my last video, I showed you how to use Pinterest for your branding ideas. Now let's use this as a mood board to create our own branding. We'll head back to Canva, go to templates, and then logos. Look at all these different logo templates for you to modify. Let's try using this template. Now let's add in some of these colors and elements to it. Let's change the background to white, the shape to a soft gray, add in the blue text, and then change your text, but I'll leave it default for now. You can leave it like this if you like, or you can add more shapes to make it more unique. All you do is drag and then drop. This is what I came up with, but the possibilities are endless. You can create more simple versions of the logo, and then you just come up here and then download, and that's it. Be mindful what elements you use in your logos, because some can't be trademarked. Follow for more.
How I designed the logo for my friends.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my...
How to make a quick logo.